Every morning, we wake up with a gift placed silently in our hands. A gift so valuable that no money can buy it, no power can control it, and once it slips away, it never returns. That gift is time, but most of us live as if this treasure is unlimited. We scroll, we complain, we delay, we say one day, while time quietly whispers, not forever. There was once a young boy who wasted hours playing games, chatting, and watching videos. His father noticed this, but instead of shouting, he brought him a glass jar filled with 365 marbles. He said, "My son, every marble in this jar is a day of your year. Each morning, take one out. When the jar is empty, the year is gone. You cannot put the marbles back." At first, the boy laughed. He didn't take it seriously. But as days passed, the jar grew lighter, and the marbles fewer. He realized something powerful. Time doesn't wait. It only moves forward. And suddenly, he understood. The late nights wasted on meaningless things, the mornings slept away, the opportunities missed. All were marbles he could never get back. He began to ask himself, what am I doing with my marbles today? And maybe that's a question we all should ask. Whether you're 15, 30, or 60, your jar isn't infinite. Each day removed is gone forever. What did you do with yours? Children think they have endless time. Adults are too busy chasing it. Elders look back and wonder where it went, but the truth is, time is more valuable than money, because money lost can be earned again, but time lost is gone forever. Time is more precious than gold, because gold shines, but time shapes your life. Time is life itself. Every tick of the clock is a piece of you. So whether you use it for learning, loving, creating, or helping, it's the one investment that always pays back. The boy decided to change. He still had marbles left, and he would use them wisely. He studied with focus, he exercised. He spent time with family, he laughed more, complained less. And though he couldn't refill the jar, he could make every marble shine brighter. That's the beauty of time. It may be limited, but how bright it glows is up to you. So, let me ask you today, if your life were a jar of marbles, how many are left? And more importantly, what will you do with the ones you still hold? Because time isn't just passing, time is life. Don't waste it, live it.